Hi, I am Vashish from droidtunes.com and today we are going to review our newly bought Yeti. So on our channel, on a lot of videos we were getting comments like our sound quality and everything is not up to the mark. So that's why recently we have bought this blue Yeti to record all the videos in the super fine quality. So let's go ahead and check out this unboxing now. So I have this very old typical nail scissors, so I'll be using this to unbox it. I guess I have broken the seal already. So this is pretty much confusing how to open it up. So I actually got where it is right now. So I'm going to just somehow break it. Now it's the time to don't worry, the box doesn't have to be kept with too much care, I think. Now, okay. Oh my god, what I'm doing. I'm so much excited about it. So I guess I'm doing it the right way, man.
Yeah.
So another box is here, another product to pay. I did it. Okay, this is the box. This is the wire. It's a USB wire, and then there's the phone box. It is a user guide and all these papers. And now is the real beast right here in front of me. It's heavy. It has a weight. So I think I'll have to bring it out like this. It's pretty really heavy. It's heating like hell right now. Not sure why. So this is Blue Yeti. So now so guys, right here the unboxing is done. Now you can see this is our Blue Yeti. There's a blue logo right in front of it. There's a mute unmute button. There are ways to increase the volume up, increase the volume down, and there are no the patterns are there in the back behind. You can increase the gain of this mic, and also you can change the patterns how you are actually speaking. So this is really hard. I was really worried about can I push it really hard or not. It's really tight. So okay, I think let's use it now.
We will be uploading a new video giving you how it worked for us. So please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.